In this video, you'll learn more about critical path in the Gantt chart with Placker. It is very common that when we manage projects that have connected tasks with dependencies, some of the cards will have margin, so a small delay on that card will not affect the duration of the project, and some others don't. For example, we have a card called Research, which goes from February 5th to February 7th. If we have a delay of 1 day in this card and move it, for example, to end on February 8th, this will cause all of the cards of the project to move forward. So this will also create a delay on the project. However, if we have cards that have margin, for example design, which can delay for a day and this will not affect the duration of the project, it is very important to know exactly which are the cards that cannot be delayed. That's when showing the critical path will be very helpful. To see the critical path, click Filter and Settings, scroll down, click Gantt Chart Visuals and select Show Critical Path. Then scroll back up and click Save Changes. Now we can see that many of the cards are red and Design and Prototype are blue. This means that if we make a simulation in which testing delays for 1 day, this will cause the whole project to be delayed in 1 day. So now it ends on March 6th. While the blue cards, for example Prototype, can delay for 1 day without affecting the end date on March 6th. However, if we exceed the margin, this will change the critical path and will indeed cause a delay on the project. So now it ends on March 8th. It is very important to know exactly which is the critical path, to know where to focus the resources and avoid delays on the project.